Good afternoon, Mr. Gelber. We're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, and see if we can help. So, right off the bat, I'd like your logo, about, review, gallery, contacts, and home. The one thing you're missing is two things. Your number, which, yes, is right over here. You definitely want it next to the contact over here with a click to call button so people can just click on it and move on. Also, you're missing a service page. You want to have your services up here as a drop down menu so people can see what it is they're looking for. Contact us, 100% quality, excellent. Welcome to Gerber's Junior Painting, Gerber's J Painting. Uh, why they should, exterior, interior painting, excellent. About us, and then we're done. Okay, so there's not a lot here on your website. You do have your, I don't even know. Oh, that's Twitter. Interesting. Snapchat, Instagram, not Snapchat, Facebook, which is good. Phoenix, Arizona. These are location pages to other pages, but they should have been under a tab over here saying services. But overall, solid. You're missing content. Google's very strict about having content. You want about 1,500, 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. But let's take a look at the back end of your website, see what this is, and see what's going on. So right off the bat, there's not a lot here, right? Google looks at a UR rating is how strong your website is, and a DR rating is how much Google trusts you. Now they're at 0 right now. Now you want them in the 30s and 40s. Now with the UR and DR rating, it works with backlinks. Now a backlink is when you have your website link somewhere else where somebody can click on it and it returns back to you. Now, a referring domain is when it returns back, actually. Now, not all backlinks are the same. Some are more spammy than others, like BuzzFeed and Wikipedia. We don't want those. We want something like a painter's blog. Now, here's the only other thing is we have no organic keywords. Now, an organic keyword is what somebody might put into Google, like this. So as you can see, I put in Painters Phoenix, Arizona. Now, this accomplishes two things. It's somebody is looking for a painter in a specific location. So it's service specific and it's location specific. So that's actually how they create Google Ads. It's with those two components. Now we have Google Guaranteed, which you can pay for, Google Ads as well. Apparently Streamline Paint, but I'm pretty sure they're in Texas. And then we have your GMB or Google My Business profile. Now, with the GMB, you want to be in here because about 30 to 40% of all people searching for anything will click on one of these three websites. So as we scroll down, this is our organic search. Not a lot going on over here, but anyone can rank to the #1 spot as long as you know what you're doing. Now, we do have Yelp as #1 and Home Advisor as #2, but next is Arizona Painting Company. Now, let's take a look at their website and see what they're doing. So they have residential, they have commercial, they have paint your whatever this is. They have a lot going on over here. I'm not going to say no. They also have their numbers up here as click to call. So if I click on this, it will call them. So as we scroll down, bring in 2023 with big savings. I don't agree with this, right? Because that just means that somebody may or may not be able to afford something, and now they automatically get 23% off. That's a lot. Now, on top of that, is a lot of times people looking for deals aren't the clients you want. But keep our time commitments, same day quotes, just why you should choose them. Schedule your free estimate, painting services. Now they're talking about their services here, but you got to click on it in order to go to a new page to actually see what it is. So you want to talk about them on the home page. You want a paragraph for each one and not like a link somewhere else. And then why this is testimonials. Why work for them? Because they have openings. Okay, so then finally we get to the bottom of the page. So there's not a lot here, yet they did do a lot on the back end. So we're going to take a look and see what it is, if it loads. So here we go. Their UR rating is 41, which means they have a strong website. Their DR rating is 32, which means Google does trust them a lot. And they're in that 30 to 40 range, which is what you want. Now, they do have 5,190 backlinks with 728 referring domains. So they're doing pretty good on that end as well. I do have to be honest, though, not a lot of these are the strongest in the world, simply because I can look down over here and see only 485 follows. So 200 plus aren't even that great. They do have 13,000 different keywords, different variations of what somebody might put into Google to find them. Now, here's the bad part about it. They have a blog on their website, so they're going to be ranking for a lot of things that don't make any sense. But let's take a look, right? So painting company. So this means that 19,000 people search for it per month, They're getting 1,200 traffic for it, but unfortunately, anyone in the United States can search for it. You don't want that. You want it where it's exactly for you. And I don't see anything. Cracking in paint. Yeah, they're bringing in 140 people a month, but who cares? They might be anywhere in the world, and it's not specifically to them. So you don't want that. What you want is something like this: Arizona painting. 400 people a month search for it. They're getting 74 people a month in traffic because they're in position one. So they're doing really good. They're getting almost 20% of the traffic for that. So you definitely want to have those two key components. So how does this help you out, Mr. Gilbert? It helps you out because you can now know exactly how to beat them. We need three things. We need content. So we need to talk about everything you're offering, which is interior and exterior painting, but it goes so much deeper than that. I'm pretty sure you do, it's like drywall and sheetrock repair. I'm pretty sure you do um, pressure washing outside for exterior painting. Like, I'm sure there's a lot that you do offer. Then after you get the content down and you're talking about each one, we got to get good keywords in there. For example, painting contractors in Phoenix, Arizona. On top of that, you can do pressure washing, Phoenix, Arizona. All those different things you can put in there. Finally, last but not least, we need backlinks. And all you can do is go to Arizona Painting Company, find the good ones they're using, and use them for yourself. So those three components together, content, backlinks, as well as keywords, is what's going to help you rank more than the competition. That's all I really got for you. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.